Arduino enthusiasts, today, let's explore the top 5 most used Arduino boards globally. Ready for some tech goodness? Let's roll. Number 5, Arduino Nano. Kicking off our list is the compact powerhouse, Arduino Nano. Tiny but mighty. Perfect for projects with space constraints. Versatile with a variety of digital and analog pins. Number 4, Arduino Mega. Coming in at number 4, we have the Arduino Mega, the big brother of the Arduino family. Abundance of I/O pins ideal for complex projects. Ample memory for handling large data sets. Number 3, Arduino Uno. Stepping onto the podium at number 3 is the classic Arduino Uno, a favorite among hobbyists and pros alike. Perfect for beginners, easy to use and learn. Extensive community support and a vast array of shields. Number 2, Arduino DO. Claiming the silver medal is the powerful Arduino DO, designed for more demanding applications. ARM Cortex-M3 architecture for increased processing power. Compatibility with a wide range of libraries and shields. Number 1, Arduino Mega 2560. And taking the crown as the most used Arduino board globally is the Arduino Mega 2560, a true workhorse. A plethora of I/O pins, perfect for large-scale projects. Robust design and reliability make it a staple in the maker community. There you have it, the top 5 Arduino boards ruling the tech world. Which one's your go-to? Let me know in the comments.